So what is a home inspection and how does it work? When a buyer gets into a contract, it's the buyer's responsibility to do any due diligence they feel necessary to inspect the house. The seller has to grant the buyer access. So buyer, this is your time to really get down and dirty to inspect the house and make sure you find everything you can. So what you do is hire a professional. You hire a home inspector. And their job is to really get into the house, go on the roof, and look at all the major components of the house and give you a detailed report with photos and videos of anything they found. Now, there are ancillary inspectors that you may need depending on your city and state. Sometimes people do additional things like a mold or termite inspection. After you gather your data on your home inspection report, the buyer presents it to the seller. You guys will have to figure out what you want to ask for. Do you want the seller to make repairs? Do you want them to give you credit? Or do you want to knock down the purchase price? You'll come up with a game plan that makes sense for you guys to buy the house, given everything that has been found on the inspection report. Hopefully that helps. If you need any recommendations for great home inspectors here in El Paso, just message, call, or email us, and we'll send you some great ones that we know will do a great job inspecting your house.